In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable to Excel. If you need to move data from Airtable into Microsoft Excel, this is a quick and reliable way to do it using a CSV export. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening the Airtable base you want to copy. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that the base contains the records you want to export. Since Airtable bases can include multiple tables and views, it's important to begin in the exact location where your data is stored. Next, go to the correct table or view. This matters because Airtable exports the data from the specific view you have open. If your view is filtered, grouped, or sorted, the exported file will reflect that setup. So before downloading anything, take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the version of the data you actually want in Excel. Once you're in the right place, click the View drop-down menu. This menu gives you options related to the current view, including the ability to download the data. If you don't see the option right away, just look through the menu carefully. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on updates to Airtable, but the export option is typically easy to find from the current view settings. From there, choose the option to download the view as a CSV file. Airtable will generate a CSV version of the data and save it to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder, unless your browser asks you where to save it. A CSV file is a simple text-based spreadsheet format, which makes it easy for Excel to open and convert. Now open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is running, open or import the downloaded CSV file. In many cases, you can simply double-click the CSV file and it will open in Excel automatically. If not, you can open Excel first and then browse to the file manually. When the file opens, check that the columns and rows appear correctly and that the data looks clean and properly separated. Finally, save the file as an Excel workbook if needed. This is useful because CSV files don't keep Excel-specific features like multiple sheets, formulas, or formatting in the same way an Excel workbook does. To do that, use Excel's Save option and choose the standard workbook format. And that's it. You've successfully taken data from Airtable and brought it into Excel in a format you can edit, organize, and save for future use.